I'm here today with the Braun Series 5 trimmer, and this is a very good budget option if you want to, well, do your hair or your beard yourself and want to do some fades, because this is especially made for that. You have this little wheel here that you can turn, and that increases or decreases the length of the guard here. So you can do this fade and do all of these little increments to move up and down your hair and your beard. So that's pretty cool. So even if you don't have a beard, you can of course use this on your hair and do those fades yourself. I do fades like every weekend, every Saturday. So I have like a fade during the week and then do that all over again, especially for my beard with a lot of heavy growth. I really need to do that every week. So I don't really want to go to the barbers every week to do that. And this is especially good for that. So you have two guards. This one goes to 0.5 to 10 millimeters, and then this one from 10.5 to 20 millimeters. So you can put that on. This has a longer length, and then you can use this to do the 10 to 20 here. So it says on these numbers 1 through 10, and then also 11 through 20. So you know what you're doing when you put on a guard like that. So you can always see what type of length you have on there. So that's pretty cool. And this is pretty sturdy, but the cool thing here is you have these extra bits that you can put on there. This one is a shaver, so you can also do a very precision shave on the parts of your beard that you don't want to cut down. For example, I always have to shave all of these areas as well. And then also a precision trimmer here as well for those small parts of your beard. You can easily pop this out and then put one of those on. So that's very easy and straightforward to do. So that's also cool that you have these extra options. Then you get a charger. It doesn't have a base, this one, because this is like the base level of trimmers that Braun has. But still, you can just plug this in and then charge it, which is pretty cool. You get a little brush and also a little carrying pouch, which is just a nylon little bag. So nothing too fancy there. But with those guards, those extra attachments, you really have everything you need to trim your beard. So I really recommend.